This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a kitchen faucet that has kind of low pressure, so you open it up hot or cold and not much going on. So one thing is to just go underneath the sink and make sure that the valves are turned all the way to the left. Lefty-loosey means full open. I'm also going to check this part of the faucet, the aerator. I'm going to grab a pair of pliers, grab onto this nut here and turn to the left, lefty-loosey. And I'm going to spin this aerator assembly off and see if it might be clogged. Sometimes debris flows through the pipes and gets stuck in a little filter. Yeah, this has some debris in it, so cleaning that up may help to increase the pressure. It's pretty easy to clean it up. Just going to open up the water flow, and then I'll pop out the little centerpiece, which is called the aerator, and it has a little rubber washer on top of it. And also this piece is where when you change to have a spray feature where the water shoots out, and this looks a little bit clogged too, so I'm going to just rinse everything off first, and I'm just using my finger to kind of clean up some of the debris there. Here's the aerator, has a little filter on it. So I'm going to run that underneath the water, and then I use my finger to brush off all the little particles that are stuck in the filter so that water can flow through there really well again. So most all faucets have this aerator piece. Usually it's kind of silver and you just unscrew it. This one has the aerator in the middle of a spray assembly, so it's a little bit different. But they all have this little aerator in the middle, and that's usually where the clog is. Just check in the middle here too, make sure that I don't see anything stuck in there. So I'm using a sharp implement just to poke through the holes on the spray part of this nozzle. And just want to make sure these are all open and have nothing caught in them. So any kind of sharp thing, you could even use like a sewing needle would work. Just going to go through all those little holes, make sure they're open.
Make them healthy.
I'm using a small brush to brush into the outside of all those holes. It's just the idea is to get everything clean and get rid of any debris that you can see. And that should bring the water pressure up. It is good again to check underneath the sink to make sure the cold and hot valves are turned all the way to the left. That should give you full water pressure. The part of the faucet that you turn on to increase water flow can have debris caught in it too. It's a different type of a procedure, but you can clean all that out. So we just put the aerator back in the middle, put the washer back in. We're going to grab spray assembly, and then we're going to just thread that back in. This will be righty-tighty. Just going clockwise, get it nice and tight. And we'll use pliers to give it a slightly further tension to really lock it in. And that's it.
Go on.
So water pressure is a little bit better now. Spray looks really good. And that did the trick. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe when you get a chance. And I hope this helps you to get your faucet working better. Thanks again.